trying to get a public records request form from the federal building. Would you be able to help me out?
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Auditing America. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on December 28th, 2021 in Kansas City, Missouri. Auditing America is at it again, but this time in my hometown. Auditing America went into the Richard Bowling Federal Building in Kansas City, Missouri to do a First Amendment audit, and let's just say that my hometown public officials failed. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Able to help me out? We're in Kansas City. Richard Bowling Federal Building. Let's see if we're allowed to walk in with a video camera. All employees and visitors. Don't enter. Okay. Every door. How's it going?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm trying to get a public records request form from the federal building. Would you be able to help me out?
Public records?
Which agency? I think there's a form online.
I'm sure there is, but I'm already here. Do you think maybe somebody can give me a copy?
There are forms that are up here, sir.
Oh, you
So
don't?
you might have to get it from the specific agency that you're looking for.
Okay. What services do you guys provide in this building?
I have to ask you, sir, since you're taping inside a federal, you can't tape inside a federal building.
We're not allowed to?
Not inside a federal building. But anyway, these are agencies for Social Security.
What about freedom of the press? It's a federal the First Amendment. It's a federal document. So
That document's not stored in this building, so I don't know.
well, I understand it's not here, but there's a federal building, and you guys should allow people to video record because we have freedom of the press. When the press shows up, where do you guys?
In certain public areas, sir. Yes.
And well, this lady just walked through without a problem.
She has ID.
Oh, she works here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
So all the signs that are on the outside of the building, these are employee entrances.
Oh, this is an employee entrance.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Well, I appreciate you giving me the information. Is there? Where's the regular citizens entry?
The building is closed to the public due to coronavirus.
Still?
Yes, sir.
How long are they going to continue with this?
As long as the health crisis continues, sir.
Well, I mean, we have a building that costs millions of dollars to the citizens and to the of America. So we want to see it working. And like Benjamin Franklin said, those who sacrifice their liberties for securities shall deserve neither. I don't agree with them forcing everybody to wear a mask. Stop video recording. That's the First Amendment. Don't bring a gun in a federal building. That's the Second Amendment. It's all the Fourth Amendment. You guys are checking people. So it's kind of hypocritical. It's very hypocrite from the government, federal government, to say that we have all these rights when you're violating them all at once you enter a federal building. Just think about that. Go home and think and refresh on the Constitution. And you understand where I'm coming from. You guys have a pleasant day. Thank you very much. You guys take care, all right?
Sadly, these security officers were ill-informed about the First Amendment of the Constitution. At one point, one of the officers stated that news media was allowed in certain areas of the federal building. What he was trying to say was just like any other public building, certain areas can be deemed restricted areas. With that said, Auditing America should have been allowed in the same areas that all news media is allowed.
Kansas City, Missouri. We're doing a First Amendment audit. We got some officers over here. Let's see if they respect our First Amendment right to video record in a public place. How's it going, gentlemen? How you guys doing today? You're looking very sharp.
Well, thank you.
I like your uniform.
Appreciate that.
Quick question for you. What's your favorite amendment?
Favorite amendment?
Yes, sir.
Probably the 10th.
Okay, awesome. What about the second? Do you guys allow people to enter the federal building with firearms?
That's a federal law, sir. That's not up to us. We don't make the law. We just enforce it.
I know, but you guys are federal officers. You love the Constitution, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's stand up a little bit more. Bring awareness on the Second Amendment shall not be infringed. I have no firearms, but I encourage everyone to get one. You know, because it's the police are not usually getting there on time to save people. Sometimes they do, but we have a lot of people that get injured because they don't have the way to protect their life with the Second Amendment. So we want people to do this.
We're already 15 minutes late, but the thing is, sir, we don't make the laws. We just enforce them. You got to vote the people in to vote the way you want to get the laws made the way you want. Then we can enforce them the way you want.
All right, so you don't agree too much with it, correct?
Here we go, sir.
Have a good one. Well, they were very nice, but I guess they'll still take you to jail over a constitutionally protected right. Find Auditing America on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Make sure you check us out.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Auditing America's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. While you're down in the description, don't forget to get your copy of my new ebook, Remain Silent. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe out there. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law.